Any shape you create inside Illustrator is actually defined by anchors. When it comes to drawing vector shapes in Illustrator, we're going to look first of all at the most basic, the rectangle. The rectangle tool allows you to draw both squares and rectangles. It has a default fill you'll see here of white. You'll see that this little swatch box is selected, and you'll see also how I have a swatch colour for the stroke, the border around the outside of my rectangle, and also the stroke width. How wide is that path? I'm going to move my cursor onto my page. You'll see I get a crosshair. Now that is placed in relationship to the 0, 0 point. Anchor points are mathematically defined. When you draw a rectangle, it defines 4 anchor points, 1 at each corner. It defines the anchor points mathematically. Here you can see my X and Y coordinates for my top left hand corner, and every corner of this rectangle has a defining anchor. It's learning how to control these anchors that will give you mastery of Illustrator.